Now, although many people like doing affiliate marketing online, most are also intimidated by the idea of building a website. As someone who has gone through the process, I think building a website is the easiest part. The hardest part is making that site to be profitable. But now the question is, do you really need a website for affiliate marketing? The basic answer to that question, in my opinion, is yes, and that is simply because we all at some point has been an affiliate marketer to a product. At some point in your life, you must have recommended a product or a service to a friend or family. If that friend or family, for example, ends up buying that product you recommended, then at that point, you are officially an affiliate marketer. So affiliate marketing has been in existence like forever. It only got popular because people started making money off of it with the coming of the internet. With the internet now, things have become much more easier because all you need now is a simple link, and every time someone clicks on that link and takes an action, maybe purchase something or fill out a form, you make a commission. So that simply means you can link directly from any content online to the product you are promoting to easily make money as an affiliate marketer. You can also grow a following on any of the social media sites and recommend related products to your followers as an affiliate marketer. You can build a list of like-minded people without even having a website and then recommend products to them as an affiliate marketer. Now, you can do all these things and make money as an affiliate marketer, but the next question that comes into play is, are these methods reliable? We both know now that you don't need a website to make money as an affiliate marketer. You can use a social site like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Pinterest to make money directly from any of these platforms. The only problem for using any of these social media sites for your affiliate marketing is that you don't own the site or platform. Personally, I learned that the hard way. After growing a subscriber base of over 8,000 subscribers on YouTube and making money from it as an affiliate marketer, late last year, YouTube decided to suspend the account for violating community guidelines. Guys, up till date, I still don't know what guidelines I was violating because I don't use foul words on the channel. It's a YouTube tutorial channel, how to grow a YouTube channel kind of tutorial videos. This same situation hasn't happened only to me. Many people have experienced it and are talking about it online. So what can they do? What can I do? That's right, nothing. So will you if you base all your efforts on a platform that you don't own. The same thing can happen to anyone on any platform. So what I'm trying to say here is, although you don't need a website for affiliate marketing, you sure do need one if you want to be sure of consistency. The best way of using social media for affiliate marketing should be to drive traffic to your main website. There are actually many reasons for owning your own website, but I can't go through all in this video. Personally, I think the main reason for having a website as an affiliate marketer is that there is a better chance for customers to purchase a product or service based on the recommendation of someone they trust, especially if that someone is using the product and has great knowledge of it. So if you are planning to be a successful affiliate marketer, you sure do need to have a website where you can provide helpful content to the niche that you want to go into for people to build that trust in you. You must develop an audience that will trust you. And with all that, I'll call it a wrap. I hope my experience did shed a light on why you need a website for your online affiliate business. If so, hit that like button below, share on your preferred social site, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss another helpful video.